Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the sibling tag. So without further ado, let's fly. There are a few questions, so we're going to ask and answer. You're ready? She's always ready. Okay, so the first question, what is the funniest memory you have of each other? So since she's the eldest, she can go first.
Okay. So the funniest memory is I had was when she was small, and I carried her and showed her the Christmas tree. After that, I bring her to the net and I sleep on it. I sleep with her underneath the net and I put a blanket on top of it, and then it's broken.
Yeah, she broke the only net that I was sleeping in. Okay, the funniest memory I have of her. Actually, there are so many funny memories, but I think I would say the funniest was in school days. So she used to go in the morning to school, and by the time she used to get ready, she used to send me to stand, to save her place to stand in the line for the bus stop. So I actually find that very funny because me being the youngest, she would wake me and say, "Go and stand, okay? I'll come." And she used to take a nice sweet time and come. So that was very funny. It was her school and I had to stand in the line. Okay, you can ask the next question.
Who is the most talented sibling?
It's me. You all know it. It's me. I'm the most talented sibling.
Yeah, I can say it's her to some extent.
Not to some extent, to all the extent, I'm the talented one.
Yeah, right. Okay. Who reads more books? What do you think is your sister's favorite book? Most books read is obviously she.
Yes.
Favorite book? I really don't know which is her favorite book. Probably she can answer.
All of Shakespeare books I love. I'm in love with Shakespeare. It's like Shakespeare and me we are like involved. That's a secret actually. I should not have let out. Okay, what do you do for fun together? I think we dance and we jive actually. We like doing that. We like jiving.
Yeah.
Probably in my next video I might try and put up some jive videos of ours. Okay, the next question. What was the last text that you both sent each other? I think I have sent her the YouTube link to forward to her friends.
Yeah. I think that's the last text.
That's what I sent you, but what's the text that you sent me?
I
I think you sent me a screenshot of my picture.
yeah.
Yeah, I wanted some pictures, so she screenshotted it and she sent it to me. Okay. Who has the cleaner room?
Me. I'm the cleanliness freak. She's the other way around. She just keeps messing, and I have to be full of cleaning.
She doesn't let me clean since child. So I'm used to it. I'm used to being a princess. Papa ki pari and all that. Okay. What do you have in common with your sibling? Our parents. What else? We both love chocolate. We both love.
We both love jiving.
Yes, we both love jiving. We both love heinies to eat. Heinies. We both love junk food.
I like to watch movies.
And movies. Now since it's quarantine, so a lot of Netflix.
Okay. Who takes longer to get ready? Not really.
Yes.
After being a mom, I don't take that long. It's like
Yes.
I get ready.
No. No. She takes a lot of time to get ready. Everybody knows.
Have you ever had a crush on one of your sister's friends?
Actually, I did. I found him cute. He was cute. I mean, he still is cute. But just one.
I'm just trying to figure out who.
Keep figuring all your life.
Okay. Who do you like most?
What do you like the most? in you. Okay, what do I like the most in her is she likes to keep everything, clean and tidy, and she pampers me, which I really like. That's the thing that I really like the most about her. Now it's your turn. What do you like the most about me?
She looking after my sister thing. She looking after my daughter. I mean that's really helpful, and yeah, that's what I like.
Okay, what do you hate the most about your sibling?
She getting angry for no reason.
No.
Yeah, that's what I hate. She getting angry all the time, and yeah, when I try to keep her cupboard clean and she keeps it messed up, and then my mother and Amy have to say clean up, and that my mother will agree on it.
But you know what? Even if my cupboard is messed up, I can find my things easy. Then when my cupboard is all neat and tidy, then I have to call her or ask my mom, and I don't know. Do you all have that thing when you all search for it and you don't find it, then you just call your mom and your mom just comes and she's like, it's just lying there. Like, if you have ever gone through this, please comment in the section box below. Okay. The thing that I hate the most about her is if I'm lying down and I'm like all rested, I put the pillows and all that, suddenly she'll just take out the pillow from my head and she'll just put it, and even if I like, for example, if I've arranged the pillow like this, she'll come and she'll make sure that everything is like proper and in a particular, she has an OCD problem, and it's okay, we love her for that. Okay, so describe your sister in 3 words.
Talented, intelligent, and sexy.
Okay, thanks. So I would say
you have to think about it.
I mean, there are so many words to describe you. I just can't bring it down to 3 words.
Have you any guys come across such situation like this?
Do not comment below. Okay, 3 words would be helpful, over caring, over possessive.
That's it, finished.
Yeah. Okay, are you close to your sister? She's close to me, but I'm not close to her.
Yeah, that's it.
What is the silliest nickname you have for each other? Bakasur. Rubbish. Anything. I call her Bakasur, Moti,
Skinbone Tarzan.
She's just jealous.
No, I'm not jealous.
You're jealous. Everyone knows. Older sister.
Undernourished child. Next question. You can close your mouth. Please comment if you like it.
No.
What is your sister really terrible of doing? Cleaning.
Cooking. She can't cook.
Yeah, right.
No, but she is learning. Yes. She made some Oreo cake and all that. You know how it is, right? Quarantine's Got Talent. Yeah, she's one of the contestants. So next question. What is the weirdest thing your sister eats?
I guess when she gets angry, she eats green chilies. I mean, who eats green chilies?
I. The weirdest thing she eats is bitter gourd, and I hate that. Like, who eats Karela? I mean, I don't like. I know there are people who eat Karela, but I'm in that category where I hate. I would rather eat spicy than have something bitter. Okay, the next question is, what is the last thing you did with your sister?
Sat and drank.
No.
Yeah.
No. Then. Oh yeah, we did drink thumbs up. Yeah, we did drink thumbs up. We like having thumbs up, and yeah, we also had the lollipops.
The extra cornflakes one.
It's Kentucky, yeah. I love that. Okay, you can ask the question.
What is the first dish your parents?
One dish.
Okay, what is the one dish your parents made when you were always sick?
When we were always sick, our parents used to always give us kanji rice.
Kanji rice.
Soup. Or if you have an upset stomach, then it's toast and black tea.
Or if it's like dysentery problem, I think then it's rice and curd.
Yeah, rice and curd, yeah. Okay, the next question is, what is something you like to do together? We like to dance, especially jive.
Yeah, parties.
Yes.
What is the biggest fight you ever had? Hey, there's so too many fights we had. Can't think of any one biggest fight we had. Can you think of any one?
I don't really remember. Okay, the next question, probably it might come up. Okay, the next question is, oh, yeah. Did you ever steal your sister's clothes without telling her? I have a lot of pleasure in asking this question. Please.
Yeah, many a times.
All the time.
That's why I said many a times.
I don't steal her clothes. She steals mine. Probably I'm just going back into a cupboard and be like, hey, you know what?
I've seen it somewhere.
I've seen it somewhere and it's been missing from my wardrobe since many days. Yeah. Question is, what is the memorable argument you both have had? I remember this one incident where she had worn my new skirt and I was very upset with her. And I wanted to go and bash her. Back then I used to hit her a lot. And I remember she ran because I went to the kitchen to get a knife and I said, I'm going to kill you. And she went and she locked the door, the bedroom door. And I told her, open the door or I'm going to break the door. But she didn't, and in that anger I just gave one kick and there was a slab. It just went flying on her. And so I didn't have to do anything. She just got hurt with the slab. And then looking at her getting punched with the slab, I couldn't control my laughter. So I just sat down and I burst out laughing. It was very funny. Okay, next question is, who was a better student in school? I think both of us. Yeah, both of us. We are very sincere students.
Our teachers can tell you.
Our teachers will tell you. I hope my teachers do tell good things about me. Okay, what is the one thing that makes you jealous about your sister? Me, it's Jaylin, her baby. I just love her. And sometimes I keep telling her, like, you know, if anything happens to you, I'm going to take Jaden, I'm going to keep her with me. Like, I don't even treat Jaden like my niece, I treat her more like my daughter. So I keep saying, you know, my baby, my pumpkin and all of that. It's your turn.
One thing jealous about is talented. Multi-talent.
Because even you're talented.
Yeah, I'm talented, multi-talented. Okay, so she can like do everything. So it becomes difficult for me to do everything after having a baby. Even though I try to, but can't match up her standard.
It's okay. I'll pull you up. So that's it for my video. I hope you like our video. Please do like, share,
Comment
and subscribe.